Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta more tasty. Start with the foundation, the water. A large pot gives your pasta room to move, preventing sticking. Don't be shy with the salt. It's your first chance to infuse flavor directly into the pasta itself. Aim for about 1 tablespoon of salt for every gallon of water. And remember, always wait for a vigorous, rolling boil before adding your pasta. This ensures even cooking and a perfect texture. Achieving the perfect al dente texture is key to delicious pasta. This means it should be firm to the bite, not mushy. While package directions offer a guide, always taste your pasta a minute or two before the suggested time. Before draining, remember to scoop out about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for your sauce later on. Now for the magic. Transfer your al dente pasta directly into your simmering sauce. Let it finish cooking there for about 1 or 2 minutes. This allows the pasta to absorb the sauce's flavors. That reserved pasta water, add a splash or two to help the sauce cling beautifully to the pasta and create a silky texture. Finish with fresh herbs, a generous grating of quality cheese, or a small knob of butter for extra richness. The final step is all about presentation and immediate enjoyment. Serve your perfectly coated pasta right away to savor its ideal texture and warmth. A simple garnish makes a big difference. Think fresh basil leaves, chopped parsley, or a light drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. For that ultimate flavor boost, a final sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese is always a wonderful addition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.